sure that you do it from above. There we go. Here it is.
Come on, drink the coffee.
No, not too close. You don't need to do it too close.
So how does it taste? Hello? Are you gonna have your Cheerios with that?
There we go.
Or come on, dip it in the coffee. That was good. Drink the coffee.
Don't bother her. There she goes. She dips it. It's good?
I think this is the only bird we ever had that actually likes coffee. We only have 9 minutes left until we leave. That coffee was very good. I don't know.
Oops, she dropped it. Take another one. There we go.
She just froze it off. Kayla, come on. Kayla, eat the coffee. She'll stop.
She dropped it? Take another one. Don't bother her.
Dookie. Okay, back to drinking coffee. Come on, Dookie. You know you like coffee, sure, get out of the way.
Don't worry about that. She knows where it is. That's it. She's done.
Okay, I guess that's it for...
No?
Okay, it's not. Whoever coffee this is, I feel bad. I think we need to start giving her our own cup of coffee instead of yours, Abba.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for today. No, you're such a coffee lover. Back on, my coffee. Abba.
Cut.